Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to go over rolling options on expiration date. So today I have these 10 short puts on GOLD or Barrick Gold that I sold these put options. So I have 10 contracts that are expiring today and I'm in the money. My strike price is $18. I'm just 6 pennies below. But as you can see, I'm up on these contracts. I have a profit of $131 per share, up $20 on the day. I still have $100 in potential profit, but if I want to, which I'm going to do it live right now and show you exactly how this is done. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just going to go ahead and roll an option live. So I sold these 10 contracts for 24 cents. Now I can buy them back at approximately 10 cents, which is 14 cents cheaper. That's why I have a profit of $136. And what I'm going to do after I buy to close, that's what it's called, buy to close. There we go. I just got rid of it. So as you can see, now I have 0. And now I'm going to open up a brand new short put with the same exact trade 1 week later. So if I click on the October 8th, go to my $18 strike price and click on puts, I can sell them for 35 cents each and collect $346 in premium. Just opened that position. It looks like it did not fill, but looks like I need to do 34 cents, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. That's going to cost me $10 of profit less. I just want the order to fill. There we go. Automatically down $5, but here I go. I have a brand new short put with an October 8th expiration, $18 strike price, and I sold 10 of them. So basically, I want GOLD to go past or be above $18 a share by October 8th market close. If not, I can either buy to close at a loss or just get exercised on the shares. So the reason why I rolled it is just to keep collecting more premium. I sold those I bought to close those other short puts at a profit just so I can make even more profit by keeping on selling puts. Remember, selling puts is a bullish play. I do have 400 shares of GOLD already with a trade price of $18.28. Currently down on that position, not very much, not very far. But I think GOLD is very cheap. I think it's undervalued. And this is just my way of making money as a bull on this stock. And, risking assignment of getting exercise on these shares if I want to. And at the same time, I'm selling covered calls. On those 400 shares, I have a $18.50 strike price, October 8th expiration. So if GOLD is below $18.50 by 1 week from today, these contracts will expire worthless and I'll collect all the premium. I didn't get paid that much premium, but money's money. So it's about $50 in premium that I got paid. So this is actually a short strangle that I'm doing. I'm selling puts and selling calls against my GOLD shares. And I think this is a great stock to do it because it's trading at a really low valuation. I think the downside risk of this stock is very limited. I don't think there's very much downside. Obviously, anything's possible. Markets can sell off and crash. And this thing can sell off to a severely undervalued price. But this is an example of what I just did is just rolling my options on expiration. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.